How to log into Crunchyroll account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Crunchyroll account login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, crunchyroll.com. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and fill this. Firstly, type in the email address, then type in the password. If you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option to recover it. Despite the fact that Crunchyroll is just an anime streamer, it is one of the best streaming options. With a massive amount of varied programming, huge catalog and eclectic genre choices, all wrapped up with seriously affordable pricing, this is undoubtedly one of the most well put together services you can get. Once you fill this, click on Login. Just for that, you'll be logged into your account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of Create One and do that. So this way you can easily log into your Crunchyroll account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.